Tell me, who sleeps the best?
I think she does.
I would agree.
Yeah, who snores the most?
Oh, definitely me.
Yeah?
I am the queen of snoring. There's something to stop it. So,
Yeah?
yeah, I have a dental device
we've had
that's largely stopped it. Yes.
Really? You know that snorers are often more mouth breathers than nose breathers. Have you ever heard of mouth tape?
Yes, I have used mouth tape.
It's actually specifically designed for sensitive skin, people with beards. How would you like to try one on? Here we go. I'm going to open up the pack, give you each a mouth tape. Hey, couples that breathe together stay together. So take a deep breath in through your nose. Hostage mouth tape has sold 51 million units to date. Try Hostage mouth tape. Buy two, get one free.